So second lecture of trigonometry, discussing trigonometry ratio of multiple angle. So first formula, sin 2a equal to 2 sin into cos a equal to 2 tan by 1 plus tan square a. Second one, cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a equal to, in case of tan, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This formula another term written cos square a 2 cos square a minus 1, and also written in 1 minus 2 sin square a. So remember, third formula, one plus sin 2a equal to sin a plus cos a का होल स्क्वायर. This formula written in another term, look at 1 minus sin 2a equal to in case of positive, in negative case sin a minus cos a का होल स्क्वायर. when 1 plus sin 2a तो sin a plus cos a का होल स्क्वायर. in case of negative sin a minus cos a का होल स्क्वायर. fourth one, 1 plus cos 2a to cos square a in case of minus 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. So remember, in case of positive 2 cos square a, in case of negative 2 sin square a. So this type of remember, and this term is also. So look at the next formula. Third one, tan 2a 2 tan a 1 minus tan square a. Fourth one, sin 3a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This formula written in another term. So look at 4 sin 60 degree minus a into sin a into sin 60 degree plus a. And fifth way, same way, cos 3a four cos cube a 3 cos a. And another form, 4 cos 60 degree minus a into cos a into cos 60 degree plus a. So in the case of sin, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube, 4 sin 60 minus a sin. In case of cos, 4 cos cube a minus 3 sin a. And another form cos, this type of. Remember. So next one. Formula number 5. Tan 3a, sorry 6 number, tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan cube a 1 minus 3 tan square a. Another form, tan 60 degree minus a into tan a into tan 60 degree plus a. Same way, remember, when tan 3a case, this type of tan, but angle is same, 60 minus a 16 plus a. In sin, in cos 3a also same way, and sin 3a also same way. So next, discussing trigonometry equation. Trigonometry equation. First, sin x equal to 0. So solution what? Solution x equal to n pi. In second one, cos x equal to 0. Then solution x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. In case of third, tan x equal to 0 and solution equal to x equal to n pi. So sin, cos, tan, you should remember this type of solution. Another third, fourth formula. sin x equal to sin alpha. Alpha should be minus pi by 2 less than equal to alpha less than equal to pi by 2. Should be between minus pi by 2, so plus pi by 2. Then solution equal to n pi plus minus 1 n alpha. Formula number 5, cos x equal to cos alpha. Alpha should be 0 less than equal to alpha less than equal to pi. Should be 0 to pi. Then x equal to 2n phi plus minus alpha. जो solution is this, remember, and in the case of cos x you cos alpha should be formula number 6. In case of tan x equal to tan alpha, alpha should be minus pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 should be between the alpha. Then x equal to n pi plus alpha. One also remember, sin square x equal to sin square alpha. Then solution x equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Formula number 7. Cos square x equal to cos square alpha. Then solution x equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Formula number 8. In case of tan square x equal to tan square alpha, then x equal to n pi plus minus alpha. In the when the square term, then all the solution are n pi plus minus alpha, n pi plus minus. Simple, remember. So this type of some important formulas were discussed to helpful for when they start the calculus. So remember all the in any time use and to utilize to remember the formula. So thank you.